Hello, this is an unpacking video for manufacturer number 4005-LF-OD by Ergo. This is an AR15 M16 grip kit. It's olive drab green, large frame. I'm going to go ahead and take them out here for you so you can get a better look. Some of the features that this item has is its ergonomically correct finger grooves. It's ambidextrous, works well for right and left-handed shooters. Has an integrated rear upper extension, supports the web of your hand. Superior textured finish improves weapon control. Includes Ergo 4012 spacer to fill the rear upper void. Virtually impervious to oils and solvents. Has a sure grip or sur grip texture. Features an overmolded rubber-like surface for a more positive grip. It's US made. Fits all AR-10 and 308 large frame rifles. And again, this is the AR-15 M16 grip kit by Ergo.